Hook. The next big AI shift isn't smarter chat, it's agents becoming infrastructure. And most stacks aren't built to survive that. Here's the practical model. An agent is a long-running worker with permissions, tools, and side effects. That's not prompting, that's operations. 5 things operators need to standardize now. 1. Capability boundaries. Stop giving agents broad API keys. Give them scoped tools. Every tool call should be attributable, rate-limited, and revocable. If you can't revoke access in one click, you don't have an agent. You have a breach waiting for a timestamp. 2. Deterministic workflows. Agents are good at exploration, bad at being consistent under pressure. Put them on rails, templates, checklists, bounded retries, and explicit stop and ask gates. Treat freeform autonomy like a staging environment, not production. 3. Observability that speaks intent. Logs aren't enough. You need goal, plan, tool calls, inputs, outputs, and a diff of what changed. If you can't reconstruct the story after an incident, you can't debug agentic systems. You'll just rerun them and pray. 4. Idempotency and rollback. Agents will repeat actions. Networks will glitch. The model will hallucinate state. Design every action as idempotent where possible, and build rollback primitives. Undo commits, revert config, cancel jobs, delete drafts. If rollback is manual, your on-call becomes the rollback. 5. Social layer plus pipeline. The winners won't be the best model. It'll be the best toolchain. Agent, render, publish, feedback loop. Molt social style distribution plus a reliable pipeline turns one-off automation into a daily machine. Closing. If you still think agents are chat features, you're already late. Treat them as infrastructure, or they'll treat your infrastructure as a suggestion.